Hey guys, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for another Friday haul. It's Friday, February 19th. One of these days I will look at the calendar before I start and I'll figure out what month it is and what day it is. At least I know it's Friday. So anyway, hope you guys are well. Everything's good here. Still cold, but that's okay. I feel so bad for you guys that are down in Texas in that area who are suffering without heat and with us being snowed in and everything. So really thinking about you. So hope everything gets back to normal really soon. So I have not a whole lot this week, but some good stuff to show you and a project share at the end. Actually, I want to show you a couple things, so let's get started. First, we'll start with Target. I got a few things from there. They are slowly bringing out the Easter stuff in the dollar spot. I did pick up a few packs of this pretty shred. They had some different color combinations. I really like this one the best. It's white and green and aqua, so I love that. And, you know, just for $1, that's like pretty much the cheapest price I can find for shred for, you know, from anywhere. And I really like the color, and they give you a good amount in there too. So I moved that out of the way because it was so noisy. And then I got some paint. I got this one. I just needed a white acrylic paint, but they had some of their acrylic paints, like the Target brand ones, were on clearance. So I got this one. It's $139 instead of $199, and this one's called Cherry Blossom. It's a satin. I did open it already. It's a really pretty pink. And then I got this one called Cabbage, which is just aqua. And the next one is Robin's Egg, which is a little bit bluer. They had a few other colors, I'm so sorry, on clearance, but those are the ones that I wanted. So that's all I got from Target. Let's go to Hobby Lobby. I'm going to be making a burlap wreath. Is it hard to find wreath forms in your guys' area right now? I can't find wire wreath forms. I looked, I just assumed, oh, I'll be able to go to Dollar Tree, but they're out. I went to like 3 different Dollar Trees. The website says they're back ordered. I finally got one at Walmart, but it's like an 18-inch one instead of the 14-inch. But anyway, I didn't even think to look at Hobby Lobby, but I did get some burlap there because they were 50% off this week. So I got a couple rolls of that. Although I do like the Walmart burlap. I probably should have just got that, but since it was 50% off, that's fine, I guess. I picked these up because they were 40% off this week, and I really like the different shamrock shapes. And, well, they're all a shamrock shape, but different sizes. So there's big and little, and yeah, so good for St. Patrick's Day projects. Sorry for that glare. Ooh. All right, let me move this out of the way. But anyway, that was $2.99, 40% off. I also got, let's see, from Hobby Lobby, I got this in the spring shop. They finally put these out, the cute little resin butterflies. Really, really pretty colors. I have some resin butterflies that I had gotten from Allie a while ago, but I like these. They're kind of, like the wings are a little bit up on the butterfly, and they just seem to be prettier, I think. So picked up a pack of those. And I got these beads because they were 50% off, and I needed some more of the white, like bumpy beads like this. And these are kind of expensive. I mean, $4 for 14 pieces, but for $2 or 14, I think that's okay. So got them. And let's see. Oh, I got some Distress Oxides. These were 40% off this week. I got Shaded Lilac, which is a really pretty purple, and Bundled Sage. I don't have these colors or colors like them, so I thought I would get them. I think whenever they're on sale, I'm going to try and pick up a couple to make my collection a little bit bigger. And then in the spring section, they had really pretty ribbons. I got this one with strawberries on it, and this was $6, but 40% off. So I'm going to, well, either this one or this one. This is another one I got, and this is lemons with like a gingham in the back, not buffalo check, black and white gingham. Also $6, and they're 6 yards each. So one of these I'm going to incorporate into a wreath for my front door. So I'm not sure which one I have a lemon wreath. I think this one is kind of unusual, so I don't know. We'll see. Whatever I feel like doing at the time. So that's what I got from Hobby Lobby. Let's see what else. I just got a couple things from Allie. I got a new phone case, but I can't show that because I'm using my phone right now. I did get some lobster clasps. I got this one, this pack. These are pink and these are metal. They're not plastic. These were, let's see, these are 14 millimeter ones and they were $2.68. I'll link them down below. From the same shop, I got a little bit smaller ones. Instead of 14 millimeters, these are 12 millimeters. So I like all the different colors. Well, I like a few of the colors, but I'm sure I can use the other ones eventually. And these were just a little bit cheaper, I think. Yeah, $2.43. So I don't have any pretty color lobster clasps, so I thought this would be good to have for dangles and charms and that sort of thing. So those are the only things I got from Allie in addition to my phone case. And let's see, okay, let's go to Dollar Tree. I went to the good Dollar Tree in my area because they have a really nice craft section. They still didn't have dies, that made me a little sad, but I did find everything else I needed except for the wreath form. So I got this. This is like a paintbrush holder for, for your paintbrushes when you're painting. So I like that because then you can just kind of like have them sit in there in some water just to keep them, fresh. So I got that. That came in different colors. I got some twine. They had this color. They had other colors too, but I really like the pink. I couldn't decide between this and white. I don't know why I didn't just get the white also, but got the pink. These I have not seen anyone haul yet, but they're adorable. They're little gumball machines, and this one is the shape of an Easter egg, and it works. And then there's another one in the shape of an Easter bunny, and it looks like his head is askew, but it's supposed to be like that, I guess, because they were all like that. So those are the only two I saw. I thought these were adorable. They'd be so cute to just, put gumballs in or beads or just decorate them. And we could put, whatever in them. So I thought those were adorable. So we got those. And then I saw Gina, Scrapinology. Hey, Gina. She got this beautiful plastic Easter basket, and she said it looked vintagey to her, and I agree. I just thought it was so cute. It looks like a upside down hat, like a bucket hat. So they had it in other colors, but of course I like this color. There's like a bow on the front. I didn't even notice that before. Isn't that cute? I could just see storing things in here or putting a bunch of flowers. So yeah, so I got that. And also from Dollar Tree, they had so many stickers, and I really don't use stickers too much, especially Dollar Tree ones. I don't know why. I mean, they're cute, but I can't work them into my projects a lot of times, so I restrain myself. I just got this pack because I thought it was really unusual, and I like around the letters, it looks like stitching. Aren't those cute? That one says Lucky, so I figured you could use that for St. Patrick's Day or anytime in the spring, really. And Happy. So really, really cute. It says pop up, so I guess because they're a little bit dimensional. They're popped up on foam tape. Super cute. And then I got these, put that in the basket. I got these rub-on transfers because I really like the fact that they're butterflies. Now, if you guys have used this, do they rub on black too, or is it just the gold part? I tend to think it's just the gold part, but I don't know. I don't know. I'll have to try them out and see, but I really like the butterflies. I have some like word ones from Dollar Tree that work really well, so figured I'd give those a try. And then they had cardstock, so I found this pastel collection. Well, it's just 3 sheets, but I really like the texture on them. I don't know if you can see, but it looks kind of like basil cardstock, and it's shimmered. It's not really glittery, just shimmery. So I thought I'd try them and play with them. They had other color combinations and stuff, but me, I had to get the pastels. So there's that. And the last thing I got from Dollar Tree was finally found one of these bead trays, which I was so happy to find. I mean, it's really lightweight feeling, but I'm not like a hardcore beader or anything, so I thought this would work out fine for my purposes. Sometimes I lose my beads or can't count exactly how many I have, so this will be great, I think. So, and if not, it was only $1, but I think I should be able to use it. So let me clean this up and then I will come back with a couple things I wanted to show you. I'll be right back. Okay, this is one of the photo albums scrapbook album that I had gotten from Hobby Lobby on clearance a couple weeks ago. And I wanted to show you guys just because a couple people asked me how I store my dies, so I wanted to show you. I love to use these scrapbook albums, and I label them on the side for what's inside, and this one is nesting dies and border dies. So let me just show you quickly inside. They come with these sleeves, and I also buy the refills at Hobby Lobby as well. They're Paper Studio. They're 8.5 by 11, either for postbound or 3-ring scrapbook albums. I get them when they're on sale, so it's $5. And so I use magnetic sheets that I get from Amazon. I will link those down below. They're 8 by 10 or 8.5 by 11, either one of those. And yeah, so I just put my dies in here and just organize them this way. And this way, when I need, you know, a specific kind of die, I could just take the whole album over to my desk or just open this up and take out a certain page. So this is just how I organize. Most of my dies are like this, and it works out really well for me. The drawback of these is they get super heavy. So I have 4 of them, and I actually put them in my new Michaels cart, the one that we, you know, a lot of us found for $20. So like this is heavy, and this has that much in there because of the magnetic sheets, of course, they're really heavy. So that's the only problem. And I've used Michael's Hot Buy albums before, and they work fine as well, but after a while they kind of fall apart. So that's why I'm kind of trying this new one, these ones from Hobby Lobby. I'm hoping they're a little bit better quality, or it could just be because they're so heavy, and I just, you know, after a while they're not really made for this purpose. So, but that's how I store my dies, and it does work pretty well for me. It keeps them organized so I don't have to like sift through all my dies to find my, you know, star nesting die or whatever. So that's what I do for those. And then I wanted to show you a project that I shared on Instagram the other day, but I wanted to show you guys too. This is one of those altered Dollar Tree camera, the wooden frames. And I just love how this one came out. I had bought 2 of them. I made a winter one before that I had shown you that was a snow and cocoa themed one. This one is, of course, Doodlebugs made with love. And I had so much fun making this. First, what I did was I painted it with patina chalk paint from Hobby Lobby. And then I added this pink shimmery glaze. And this was, here, let me just show you. Let me get up a second. Okay. It was this glacier paste from Nouveau that I had hauled, I don't know, a month or so ago. And it's such a pretty pink color. It's called Frosted Petal. I think I got it from scrapbook.com or a cherry on top. So I just used like a little makeup sponge, and I just kind of wiped it onto the parts of the camera before I put the paper on. The paper I cut to size and glued on just with, I think I just used like Beacon 3-in-1 to glue it on. And then this is ephemera from Made with Love, and this border, this little scallop border, is actually a sticker from the sticker sheet that comes with the paper pack. There are some, this is a doodle pop, and these are some of the little stickers. I forget what they're called, enamel stickers or something. These are also doodle pops, and I made a little bow with a bow punch that I have and stuck that on top. The flowers I made out of felt. I have a Sizzix Bigs die for flowers. There's like a small one and a big one. And I'll link that die down below. I've shown you guys before, but it's a great die. Cuts felt really easily. All I do is if you have a cuddle bug, or I'm sure it works the same way with the Big Shot. Actually, I'm not sure, but with the cuddle bug, I just put the Bigs die between 2 B plates and then send it through my cuddle bug, and it works out fine. No A plate or anything like that, just 2 B plates. So, yeah, so I made those and then I just added some frosted lace stickles, which is just like a glittery stickles, just white, doesn't have any iridescence or color to it. I love it. It's my favorite. And yeah, oh, and I also added some trim that I think this is from Joann's. And if you're going to add trim to the outside, just make sure it's really pliable like this kind. It just goes around curves really, really well. And I stuck that on with Fabri-Tac. I just ran a bead around the whole thing, took my trim, just pressed it on, and then cut it to size at the bottom. And it stuck fine, as you could see. Oh, and this is just pom-pom trim I had in my stash this was from the Target Dollar Spot a couple years ago. And pom-pom trim glues in a circle really well. Also with Fabri-Tac, I use some of that glacier paste on the inside of the circle as well. I just backed it with some paper from, I think that, yeah, that's Doodlebug paper as well. I put a heart bling. This is from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. And this is a Doodle Pop as well. These are Doodlebug enamel stickers, all the little hearts around there. So yeah, and the back is kind of messy, but I'll show you anyway. I should have painted it, but I didn't, and I have a smudge there, but whatever. It's just going to sit on my shelf, so who cares, right? So yeah, oh, and also I added this ephemera was just plain. It didn't have any, glitter on it or anything. So I added some Link of Stella on the edge there, as you could see on the scallop part. And for the sugar part, I put, oh boy, what is it? Not Mod Podge. Why can't I ever remember what that is? Glossy accents. Oh my God. You guys, I don't know why I have such like a brain block about that. Glossy accents. Anyway, that's what I used. Glossy accents for sugar. And then once I put it on there before it was dry, I added some glitter. And this I got from Michael's a long time ago. And it's just like a plain clear glitter that just looks really sugary. So I thought it'd be perfect for this. So, oops, sorry about my tripod. So that is my project for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I have a Frank Garcia Studio order coming in. I think it should be here by Monday. So I'll be able to show it next week. Anna from Serenity Creations enabled me again. Thank you, Anna. And she showed in a video a bunch of new stuff he got in. So I ran over there to order some stuff. So I can't wait for that to come. And I think that's all the crafty orders I have right now. But I'm sure I'll have some other stuff to show you before next Friday. So thanks for joining me. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I hope you're staying warm and safe. And I will be back soon, of course, with another crafty video. I'd love if you'd leave me a comment or just a thumbs up or whatever, just to say hi. I'd love to hear from you. And I'll be back soon. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.